you ready for the train horn? Say bye, Lake Fork.
Bye, Lake Fork.
What'd you say?
Honk the horn.
Honk the horn. Say bye-bye. Check it next time.
Red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah.
Welcome to Arkansas.
Everybody's chasing fast, they wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got.
No, we couldn't have done that with the old hitch. Are we gonna hit the back? No.
We already would have drug it off. Oh, this could be fun. Oh man, I'm nervous.
Oh, look at that one. That looks like a teepee. I've never seen one like that. Look how many states they have.
Alicia, how do you like all this?
I've never been so thankful for our new hitch. There is a dinosaur.
It looks like we have an awesome spot.
Does it?
We're gonna take a right down a road and then back straight in off that road.
Awesome.
I think it's this one right here.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's built up one?
Uh-huh.
Oh, wow.
Go west for more, go west for more.
We just made it here to Hot Springs, Arkansas, and we just got checked in to the Hot Springs KOA. It's a really nice park, but when they built it, I don't think they ever imagined a 44-foot momentum coming in there. Man, was it tight. A big thanks to the employee who helped me get into my spot and for trimming the tree branches. But an even bigger thanks to Gen-Y. Had we not swapped out our pin box last week, there's no way we would have made it past the entryway, let alone the 6 or 7 turns we had to do inside the park to get into our spot. We're gonna finish setting up here, and we'll tell you about our next adventure coming right up here in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Welcome to Hot Springs, Arkansas. And look what I found. I found some woods, so I can talk to you guys in the morning about what we're gonna do for the day. I think it's been since the Black Hills of South Dakota, and I had some woods. So today, we're gonna take you right down the road to Hot Springs National Park. So, I don't know anything about this park yet, but what's weird about it is on the map, it's like the whole entire city of Hot Springs, Arkansas is in the middle of the park, and it's not part of the national park, but then all around it is the national park.
Really?
So, on the map it doesn't make sense. I'm hoping when we get to the visitor center, they tell us what's going on, because right now I don't understand it.
We'll see.
But there's a city in the middle of the park.
Hey.
So, I found change.
Yeah?
This place is so old that they only take quarters to park. You can't use cash, you can't use card. You have to have these antiques right here.
So where'd you get these?
From the guy in the little town visitor center.
Oh. Okay.
He goes, quarters for what? I was like, to park. He goes, you don't have any?
Nope. We give them to Ashlyn.
I said, no, I don't carry quarters anymore. What is that, Kayla? Is that water? Look at that water fountain. What's that? Is that water? Look at that. What does it look like, Ashlyn?
It was like bubble bath.
Want to go get in?
Oh, well, that's cool. So these are all the holding tanks because all they had was hot water here.
Yeah.
They had to cool the water so they'd have cold water, and they store the cold water in there.
Oh my gosh, so opposite of what most people do.
It's because all they had was hot water here out of the hot springs.
Oh my goodness.
Try to work that shower.
Whoa, I'm for sure getting burned.
You need
Spiral.
more of the third hot and less of the fourth cold. Ashton is literally going in every one like they're different. Kayla!
Can we get this in the RV?
You know as well as I do that no RV can handle this kind of water pressure.
One faucet at a time. You can spray.
We'd have to run a water hose to a different pedestal for every one.
Want to take it off?
Alicia, you want to get steamed up?
I don't think so. It feels like where you should put prisoners. Like a torture device.
It's a steam cabinet. Come on, Kayla Boo.
Whoa! Show us up!
This is how you can get your feet taken care of.
Ooh.
I hear my kids somewhere.
I'm being envious of all these unused massage rooms.
Is that how you got a tan?
Oh man, this looks like crazy.
Hey, instead of jogging, let's just go gymnastics.
It says this is all the equipment for a great workout.
It looks like you just gotta swing around this whole room.
Like they're Olympic gymnasts. You ready to go do some working out?
Hey, not only am I an Olympic gymnast, I have to wear that to work out in. So I'm proper, and I'm really strong. Alright, so first of all, I don't even know where this stamp goes. We haven't been here. Nope, still haven't found it.
It's by region, right?
Yeah, I think it's by Oklahoma. Maybe.
So Ashlyn just showed me that there's different stamps, so we get to pick which one we want. This is the traditional
That's the
one.
normal one.
Then
That one might be a
there's
Junior Ranger
yeah,
one.
and then there's
Oh, look at this big one.
yeah, there's all kind. Look, this one has the bathhouses.
Oh, look at this one. That's that big one.
There we go.
Okay, Ashton got us one too.
Got one extra. That's my future gymnast working on her beam skills.
She's gonna work on her bathhouse.
So where are we headed next?
All right, so we just got done checking out Bathhouse Row,
Uh-huh.
and that's where the National Park Visitor Center is.
Uh-huh.
And we have two choices. We have the West Mountain Drive and the North Mountain Drive. And on the North Mountain Drive, they have the little observation tower. So I figure we go that way and see what we can get into. There's also a lot of hiking trails.
Awesome.
Gotta be the nicest road we've been on in the mountain.
I know, it's so shaded.
Normally it's really rough or it's gravel.
beautiful canopy of trees. There's our tower.
Okay, we just made it up the Scenic Drive to the top of the mountain. We're about to go check out the mountain tower right there.
All right, so what's the plan?
I have our tokens to
What
go
are
up
they for?
the elevator.
Oh, so we don't have to take the stairs.
No, but we did save money because we had the National Park Pass again.
Oh, awesome.
Also, they're still free. They might have to be under 4 for a long time. I can see our RV park from here.
That's so crazy.
It's right there.
That's the amusement park, right?
Yep.
That's so cool. Hey, I can see our truck
Where's our truck?
right down there.
Oh, truck's right there.
Want to see?
I think I can see all of Arkansas from up here too.
I know, it's a really great view.
Man, I want to be just way back there.
Yeah, just way back there. You're right.
Come on, K-Boo. Who's gonna press the elevator button? We just got done with the North Mountain side of the park. We did the Scenic Drive, the Mountain Tower, and the North Mountain Loop. Then we're gonna head back down the mountain and go check out the West Mountain. We just finished up the short scenic drive to the summit of the West Mountain. There's a lot of hiking trails up here that we'd like to go on, but unfortunately, the 2 girls are done for the day. So we're gonna head back to the RV and we're gonna come back hiking another day. Okay, so this is how hectic our life has been in the last 2 weeks. We had to put Arkansas on today, and we still haven't even put Oklahoma on, and that was 2 weeks ago we were there.
Ashton, let's do Oklahoma first. Do you know where it goes?
Right here.
I mean,
No,
almost.
we're not
Right
there. Right there by Texas. That's right.
This one's
Say
hard.
Say boomer sooner.
They did recently beat Texas, so that's pretty cool. All right, and we're here, Arkansas.
Hold on, let daddy get it started. Then you.
There you go.
There you go. All right.
Arkansas is a little crooked, but so is other roads.
Yay!
Ashton, what are you doing?
I think it is down to the fire.
You poking the fire with your pokey stick?
You just don't want to burn today.
You don't have to poke it like you're mad at it.